Did you know you could slash your energy bills with a £7,500 government funding towards an air source heat pump? An air source heat pump not only helps to make your home more eco-friendly, but it also contributes to lowering your energy bills, meaning you're doing your part for the planet and saving money. How does it work? In essence, it's like a fridge, but working in reverse. The pump draws in heat from the outside air, which is absorbed by a special liquid inside the pump. This liquid then circulates and compresses, raising its temperature before transferring the heat to the exchanger. This setup provides both heating and hot water, all powered by electricity, making it an efficient and green choice. What should you expect during installation? This depends on your current heating setup. We start with a comprehensive room-by-room assessment to determine what's best suited for your home. Your old heating system will be removed, and we'll install all the new equipment required for your air source heat pump. Typically, this includes the pump itself and a heat pump-compatible hot water cylinder, sized correctly to match the number of people in your home and your hot water usage. Additionally, we'll update your pipework and radiators to optimize the system's efficiency. However, we'll reuse existing components where possible. Our team will custom design a heating system tailored to your home's specific needs, keeping comfort a top priority. Once installed, we'll guide you through how to operate your new system, which you can manage via an app or your new thermostat. Take a step towards a greener future with a £7,500 grant for your air source heat pump and transform the way you heat your home. Add solar panels to your home to save even more. It couldn't be easier. Get in touch today to see if you are eligible.